We'll start by cooking up some halal beef bacon from MidamarHalal.com. Use the code in our description for $10 off your first order. We want to cook up an entire package of our halal beef bacon. Some people like it a little floppy, some people prefer it more like a cracker. I lean towards the crisper side myself. Next, I took a couple pieces of low-calorie white bread and set those on a cutting board. If it's good bread, make sure to give it a little pat. Now we'll spread about 2 tablespoons of an all-natural creamy peanut butter on one piece of bread. I love a super chunky peanut butter myself, but I gotta know what kind of peanut butter you'd use in this recipe. Let me know in the comments below. Get that spread to the edges and we'll move on to the second piece of bread. For this one, we're getting a little wild with some raspberry jelly. Did you know in 1978, raspberry jelly was voted the tastiest jelly in all the land? Now we'll add 1 strip of halal beef bacon, and another, 1 more strip, and another, 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 and another. Now we'll gingerly place our top piece and give it a little pat for being such a good sandwich. Some have called this the smokiest cross-section in all halal beef bacon history. And as you can imagine, the sandwich is simply delicious. It's got everything you want. It's got smoky halal beef bacon. It's got sweet and creamy peanut butter. We got some tang from the raspberry jelly. Simply delicious. Have a good April Fool's Day and check back on Friday when our next hardcore halal recipe hits the tube. Peace!